This section talks about how to capture the results at the end of a workshop, how to pack up a kit, and how to take it apart and clean it so that it can be reused again. At the end of a workshop, it's really important to capture those ideas. You can take a picture of a Ketso and then use that to read the ideas later. What we tend to do is take a picture of the whole thing so you can see where the ideas fit, and then quadrant by quadrant to get enough detail that you can read them. You do need to use a reasonably high pixel camera and check that you've actually captured them and they're not blurred. So, once you've finished and you want to pack up, you move the centerpiece, and then the slits make this really easy to fold. You may need to just move a few of the leaves from the edges and from the slits to make it easier to fold. It then folds into a quarter, ready to go into the bag. So the kit packs up easily back into the bag, and you can take this away from the workshop site. You want to get all your leaf bags back in place, and then you're ready to take the Ketso back again. So, you then, of course, need to possibly type up the results, and we have got a template on the web that you can use to type up the results. And after you've done that, you're going to want to reuse Ketso. So now it's time to clean off the leaves and get Ketso ready to use again. So Ketso is reusable. Luckily, it washes clean in water. So what you want to do is just quickly take the leaves off the felt. I tend to leave the branches on just because I'm likely to use them again, but sometimes I've got extra branches and I might take those off. You've then got the icons ready to go back into the icon holder. Whoops, one extra leaf. And then you can pop that away for the moment. So at the end, you want to wash your leaves and all the components and get them ready to use again. So you just simply put them in either a bucket or under the tap. Put some water in. And the writing comes straight off. Of course, once you've got them wet, you need to dry them again, ready to use again. And you can do this either by just laying them out, or if you want to speed up the process, you can put them in a salad spinner. And then you can either leave them in the colander or just lay them out to finish drying overnight. Then when the pieces are dry, you can put them back in the bag and also put the icons back in the icon holder. There's 5 in a row, so you can see if you've got them all there. Just line them up on the icon holder. And then you know you've got all of them. Have a quick check, and then it's ready to go back in the bag, ready for reuse. And then it's a good idea to go ahead and get the felt ready to go again, so you can put the branches back on, and just putting them a little bit in towards the center so you miss the area where they fold. Put the branches back on. The centerpiece doesn't go in the middle because you can't fold it. The legend back in place, and then this is ready to use again and go back in the bag. So as you can see, Ketso's reusable, and you should be able to get many years of use out of it.